Are you still paying recurring monthly fees for website builders month after month, year after year, just to keep your site online? What if you could pay once and build unlimited websites for life? Today, I will reveal with you the best AI website builder that you can get for your business by paying a one-time price and use it forever. Introducing ClickSites AI, the world's smartest AI website builder that comes with a one-time price, no subscriptions, no renewal fees, no hidden charges. Pay once, use forever. With ClickSites AI, you get a commercial license and a white label license, so you can build websites for clients and even rebrand the platform as your own. It's loaded with everything you need to build stunning, high-converting websites in minutes: AI content generation, AI image generation, built-in widgets, professional website sections, and ready-made templates for every niche. Create beautifully designed websites with a WYSIWYG drag and drop editor. Absolutely no coding required. Connect your own custom domains, capture leads with powerful marketing features, and launch secure websites with free SSL included. And the best part? You can build unlimited websites for yourself and for your clients without ever paying monthly fees again. Perfect for entrepreneurs, agencies, freelancers, digital marketers, YouTubers, and content creators who want to save money and scale faster. Stop renting websites. Stay tuned and watch the ClickSites AI demo to find out why ClickSites AI is the best AI website builder that you can get at a lifetime deal. Start owning your success. ClickSites AI, one-time payment, lifetime website freedom.
Welcome to this ClickSites AI demo within the ClickSites AI review. And as you can see, this is what the dashboard looks like. Now, on the left-hand side over here, you can find all the different things as you can see over here. Now, right within your dashboard, you find a thing called workspace. You can think of a workspace like an individual project, right? And within one workspace, there can be many websites, right? So this is the hierarchy that we have. Then there are the pages. If you want to design individual pages, you can do it over here. Then there's integration. If you want to integrate your ClickSites AI platform with any of these autoresponder, you can do it over here. Then there are the leads, wherein we can find all the leads that we have accumulated so far with our sites. Then we have got the team access, wherein we can give our team member access so that they can work for us on this ClickSites platform. There are 10 team member access that you get. So that's quite amazing stuff to have. The next thing that we have is the AI settings. Now on the AI settings, you need to configure the AI, since this is going to interact with the AI engine to populate its content, its images, whatever is there on the website. So you actually need to make an interface with any of the AI engines. Now it supports 3 AI engine, as you can see over here. You can find over here Google Gemini is there, OpenAI is there, and DeepSeek is there. You just need to go ahead and create your API key, and you just need to save it over here, and boom, you are done. I have connected my Gemini account over here, so that's it. Now apart from this, there are tutorials as well. You can just head over to this tutorials, and you can see there are all these detailed tutorials that are already done for you. That is how to get started, how to add your Gemini key, how to add chatbot templates, how to add your sections, how to add ready-made design blocks, adding animations, editing typography. All of these really minute details are covered in all of these trainings. So I don't think you are going to need that after watching my demo, but if you do ever need, you will find it right under this tutorial section, right? So let's start. So the first thing that we want to make is a workspace. So let's go ahead and create that. And as you can see, these are the workspaces that are available. So we can go ahead and click on add workspace and create a brand new one. Let's name it as AI Softwares, just for an example. Then on the company name, let's enter NKR Academy. Now in here, we are required to enter a subdomain. So let's add it, right? Let it be nkracademy.clicksites.ai, right? And then in here, if you want to, you can even include your custom domain. For that, you need to set up the DNS record, and boom, you can point it to a custom domain. That means you don't need to buy a hosting, but yet you can refer it to a custom domain. So that's a great feature to have. Now, apart from this, you can also include www as well with your URL to make it a more kind of legit one, right? Now, then once this is available, we'll just go ahead and click on OK. And boom, as you can see, the AI Softwares workspace has been created. So now once the workspace is created, we'll go back to the dashboard. And on the dashboard, you can find all the analytics as well. If you wish to check out these analytics anytime, like the total views, the average view duration, the average time spent, views per user, all of these stats are available, right? That being said, let's go ahead and create our first site. So let's click on create site with AI. Now in here, we can use the create with AI, wherein AI is going to create all the contents for us, or we can create from scratch as well, where we need to use the what you see is what you get editor and build up a page from scratch. This is only viable if you have experience. Otherwise, I would suggest go with create with AI. And then there is a create white level sales page as well. So currently I'm more interested with the AI one. So let's click on that. And then we need to select the workspace. That's exactly why we had created it in the first place. So let's go ahead and select that and click on submit. Now, as soon as you submit it, you can see your AI assistant comes up, and there would be kind of question answer based interaction by which it would know about your business and what the website would stand for. So let's go ahead and do it. What type of business are you building? So it's a software listing kind of business, right? So let's hit on enter. And now it's asking for what's the name. So let the name be NKR Academy AI Software and hit on enter. Now, what do you want the site to be about, right? So in here, I'm going to ask it to list down the softwares which are related to AI that can create images, videos, and that can create avatars. So let's give it over here. So I have told it to create a listing website containing best 3 software options for AI image creation, AI video creation, and AI avatar creation category, right? And then you can go for the language. You can choose any kind of language. There are plenty of language available. So let's go for English and let's hit on enter. And there you go. It has come up with a few suggestions like what are going to be the sections within your website. Header, about us, top 3 AI tools, right? Then AI image, AI video, AI avatar software, then the services, gallery, testimonial, and call to action. So from here, I'm not going to use these 3, right? I'm not going to take the services, gallery, and testimonial. So let's delete them. And now we are actually good to go, right? So let's hit on next. And it has gone ahead and started creating the website for us. So let's wait. And as you can see, it's doing all of it in its own. So we just need to wait for it to complete it. I'll let you know how long it took. So it took nearly about a minute or so, and you can see it has come up with a few design themes. So we can go ahead and choose any of these themes. So let's select something like maybe this one, or this one looks good as well. So let's go for this one and let's hit on continue. And boom, you can see it's creating all of it right in front of your eyes. So this is quite an amazing stuff to have. So you can see over here, it is coming up with different things. Okay, so there is a AI image, there is a video creation, there is a avatar. So you can see this is quite a magical thing to have, right? Now it's coming up with what are the different things that you get. Then there's high quality visuals, time effective. So you can see all of these images, these write-ups, all of these are already done for us. We don't need to even go ahead and make any changes, and it's quite amazing, right? So you can see a complete website has been set up in within minutes, and it's ready to go as well. So now don't worry, if you want to edit this website, it's fully editable as well with the what you see is what you get kind of editor. Now to edit this, all that you need to do is click on this edit button right over here. So let's click on that. And as soon as we click on that, you can see all of this becomes editable, right? Then what you see down here is called the AI assistant. And in here, you can actually make AI do the heavy lifting for you as well. I'll come to that in a little while. First, let me show you what are the different things that are available in this editor. So the first thing that you can do over here is come over here and click on this plus icon. And from here, you can add different sections. As you can see, basic sections are there, header sections are there, sliders are there, article sections are there, photo sections are there, and then category kind of sections are there as well. So all of these are available. You can actually go ahead and drag and drop these to actually build your website as well. Then we can come ahead and click on this content block, and from here we can add any and every content basically. Say for example, you want to add a about us section, so you can just drag this about us over here, and boom, it has been added, right? Now let's say on the about us, I want a video over here. Again, we'll go over to this content blocks, and from here we can just slide down and we can find a video icon over here. Just drag this in, right, and place it wherever you want it. So I'm going to place it over here, and there you go. There is the video placeholder. Now all that you need to do is click on this video, and boom, the properties would open up over here, and on the sources you need to add the YouTube reference. So let's go ahead and add one.
Are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel? Are you
So in
finding it
here,
very
this is
difficult
one of my channel's intro. So let's go ahead and actually use this. Hit on share, and from here you get the YouTube link, right? So you can just go ahead and copy this, come back to ClickSites AI, and in here change this source and hit on enter, and boom, you can see this video has changed, right? So in this way you can go ahead and actually bring in any kind of thing that you want to. Now it doesn't stop over here. You can just come over to this content block and you can add any kind of content. You can add your location, you can add an audio block, you can add a video block. The options are basically endless, as you can see over here. So there are plenty of things that we can do with it. Now apart from this, we can even go ahead and have the saved section as well. These are kind of custom sections where if we want to create a particular section and reuse it in many of our websites, we can do it as well. Then we can have a translation. Now you can one click translate it into any language that you want to. You just need to enable the multilingual translation settings. Just enable it like this, and then you would have a floating widget, and from there you can actually translate it. But I'm not leaving it on currently, but that is a possibility. Then you can go ahead on the typography, and in here you can change the typography. If you have a brand font or some design standards that you maintain for your company, you can do it over here. The next thing that we have is animations, and in here we can animate anything and everything. So let's go ahead and do this, and let's see how it looks like. Say for example, I want to animate this little writing over here. So I can select this, go over to animations, and from here I can choose any animation that I wish to. Say for example, I want it to slide up slow. So there you go. Everything is sliding up slowly, right? So that's how it will happen. Whenever there would be a loading, it would happen like this. Or maybe I want to zoom in. So I can do it like this as well. So all of this is a possibility. Now, apart from this, if you have a raw HTML code, like if you want to embed anything onto your website, or if you want to embed a form from your autoresponder or whatever it can be, you can just come over here and you can find the HTML code, wherein if you are good at HTML, you can actually change anything around as and when required. So you are by no means limited, right? So you have all the options on the world. That being said, there is a settings button as well. You can just click on that, and in here you can actually enable or disable animation, and in here you can control the zoom in amount as well. Then there's this assistant. As I told you earlier, we can actually leverage the AI content wherever we want to with this assistant. I'm going to use it in use case. I'm going to show you that as well. Don't worry. So that being said, that's how it works. Now let's go ahead and actually leverage some of the AI features that it has. So for that, let's scroll down and let's find something like this. Okay, here are the top 3 AI tools, and there are the things that it has given, like AI in image enhancement, AI automated video creation, and AI powered avatar. So in here, let us go ahead and use AI to actually have this writing in a better way. So what we can do is that we can call upon the AI assistant like this. Just click on that and it would be opened up. And in here, we just need to select the writing like this. And then we can click on edit selected text. And then we can actually have the text in whatever way we want to. So let's go ahead and do that. I've said that elaborate the writing with features mentioned in bullet points, right? And let's hit on send. As soon as we do so, these writings would be converted into a bullet article. And as you can see, it has elaborated it, right? And boom, you can see it has added these bullet points over here. So in this way, you can actually go ahead and change all of these writings to give you a better way, right? I'm just showing you. I don't want to actually make changes in all of that because that will make this video a lot longer. But this is the power that you get, right? Now, say for example, I want to add a form over here. So what we can do is that just below the section, if we just come over here, click on this, there is the plus sign that has come up, or you can go ahead and add from here as well. That's up to you. Just click on that. And then from here, you can find a form, right? You can add all these other things as well. There's headers, codes, YouTube, social links, all of that I've already shown you. Now let's show you the form. Just click on that and boom, you can see the form has been created. Now, all that we need to do on this form is that if we want to change anything, we can just come over here and on this, click on these 3 dots. And from these 3 dots, you can just head over to settings. And as soon as we do so, you can see there are some things that opens up. There is the generic form wherein you can generate any form by actually writing, actually taking input from AI, or you can edit the existing form. Like what are the input fields that you want? If you want to add any specific input field, you can do that as well. And then you can change the design as well. You can change the colors, you can change the labels, all of that. Then on the settings, you can set up a thank you message and an error message as well. And you can decide the submit button text as well. And then finally on the integration, if you want to use it as an opt-in form, maybe wherein people can opt in and then they would be redirected to some other page, you can just choose this redirect to URL. And in here, you can paste any URL that you want to. Say, for example, I want the people to be sent to my ClickSites AI bonus page. So I can just have its URL over here. So let's go ahead and paste it and boom, we are done, right? Now, once this is done, I'll click on OK and this would be saved. Now, if I want to change the write-ups over here, I can do that easily. Now, if we scroll down further, we are going to find another important section, which is this buttons, right? And in here, we can just select this button. And as you can see, this is not that attractive right now. So what we can do is that we can select this, go over to click on link. And in here, we just need to apply the link where we want to send them. So let this be our affiliate link and let us put it over here, right? And then we can click on OK. And boom, you can see now this button is connected with the link. But still, this button is not that attractive. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, to change the look and feel of this button, you can just click on this and then you can click on this edit button, and from here you can find the templates, and from here you can just go ahead and change the templates just like this. And you can see this button now looks more clickable and ready to be clicked, right? So in this way you can actually change your setup, you can change your look and feel, all of that in one ready click. So that's how easy it is. Apart from this, you can come over here, you can change the box settings like the background colors. If you want to change, you can do that. If you have a particular brand colors that you want to follow for your text, you can do that as well. If you want to upload a background, you can just click on here and you can upload an image as a background. So all of that is basically possible, and it's like any other what you see is what you get kind of editor where you can do anything that you wish to, right? Now remember, I am just scratching the surface. You can go ahead and do many more things as well, but due to the vastness of the tool, it's not really possible for us to actually go into every minute detail. But there again, there are tutorials. I just wanted to show you the power that you have right on your fingertips. That being said, once you are happy with it, you can click on save, and then you can click on publish, and boom, your website would be published. And as you can see, you can just toggle this active switch on, and once that is done, you can find your workspace over here, right? So all that you need to do is click on save, and boom, your page has been updated, right? Now one more last thing that I want to show you is if you want to change the fav icon, if you want to change the SEO settings, you just need to come over to the settings, and from here you can change the page info, you can change the SEO info, you can change the fav icon, you can add your GDPR settings, and you can also include your badge as well. So that was another part that is very important. That being said, that's it. That's how it works, and I really hope that you have found it very interesting. Now, to sum it up, how you can make money with it, there are n number of ways to make money with it. First of all, you can sell this as a service on different freelancing platforms and create websites and make money out of it. Second, and the most viable thing and the most easiest way to make money out of it, the way in which I would have made money out of it, was to reach out to your local businesses. The local businesses, reach out to them, create websites for them. Normally, they would pay anywhere around $10 to $15 per month for hosting. And apart from that, to create a website, they would straight away pay $500 to $1,000, right? So why not offer them monthly plan of around $100 to $150? So in that price, you can maintain their website, which is very easy to do, as I've already shown you. You don't need any hosting prices. All of that is going to be your profit. So that's a great way to do it. And remember that you can create unlimited websites as well. There is a plan. I'll show you. So that means unlimited profits that awaits you. Apart from this, you can also go ahead and you can actually redesign existing websites as well, which are not that kind of up to date. So that is going to actually help you to make a ton of money. With that being said, if you are really interested to pick up ClickSites AI, then why not via me? Because I am going to give you the best in class bonuses and a discount coupon. So to avail all of that, all that you need to do is go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page, which we have already gone a walkthrough of. And in here, you just need to scroll all the way down until you find any of these red buttons, clicking on which you would head over to the ClickSites AI sales page. That should look like this, right? And in here, as you can see, unlimited AI sites, free SSL and no coding, and create your websites in flat 60 seconds, which I've already shown you, right? Now in here, you can go through this at your own time, and once you like what you're seeing, you can click on any of these buttons. That should take you to the pricing that it has. Now remember, there are two pricing models that are available. One is the basic and the other is the all access. Now let me actually break it down for you. On the basics, you can build up to 100 AI generated websites, whereas on the all inclusive, you build unlimited AI generated websites, right? Then on the basic, you get only 100 custom domains. That means 100 business you can cater to, whereas here you can get 500 custom domains. That means 500 businesses that you can cater to. Then you get 500 workspaces compared to only 100. Then you get 10 team collab accounts. That means you can have developers right under you. Once you scale your business, that you can actually give away access to your team members and let them do the hard work, and you can get the money, right? Apart from this, you get 150 plus ready-made design sections that I've already shown you, and on the basic you get only 50. Now remember, mine is this one. So all the things that you saw was this all included plan, right? Now one of the major features that you get over here exclusively is 150 plus white level accounts. That means you can sell this as well to your clients. 150 clients, you can sell this. You can sell this at minimum of $100. and that is a huge way to make money out of it, right? This you don't get on the front end. So remember, this is a more option why you should go for the all-inclusive plan. Then you can rebrand and resell. That's exactly what you mean by 150 white level app. You can rebrand it with your own logo. You have autoresponder integration, one-click layout redesigner, all features included, everything. So I would definitely recommend you to go for this all-inclusive plans, right? But if you are short on budget and if you want to use it for only your business, then you can go for the basic as well. Now that being said, you just can feel free to choose whichever plan you like to, and then you can come over to that plan. Say for example, if I want to get a all access one, I can just come over here and click on get instant access. Once I do so, it would actually take us to the checkout page that should look like this, and in here you can fill out this basic information and then come over here, and I want you to pay attention on this amount over here. It's 15,283 rupees in INR. Now I'm going to actually give it a coupon code. Let me actually provide the coupon code right now. So this is deal 10. Click on apply and you can see I get 3,000 INR discount and I get it at only 12,227 INR. So this is a very limited time and a very, very secret coupon that you have, and to avail this you need to go via my link below in the description, and once you do that you can get it at a much discounted price, right? And then once you fill up all of these and hit on complete purchase, you would get the credentials to log inside ClickSites AI. Now once you make a purchase via my link, all that you need to do to register for the bonuses is come over here and email us on this email ID as you can see over here, right? Or you can even reach out to us on our WhatsApp and send us your purchase receipt so that we can tally that you have made the purchase, because our bonuses are extremely valuable, so we don't want to give it away to anyone. So we would make sure that you have made the purchase via us, and once done that, you would receive our bonuses right inside your email, right? Now that being said, if you consider the pricing of other AI web builder, let me actually compare the pricing with you. Now here you can see Durable AI costs you $15 monthly, 10 Web AI costs you $10 monthly, Hostinger AI costs you $2.99 monthly. That is because once you purchase the web hosting from Hostinger AI, you get their website builder for free. Basically that's why it is coming at a low price. Apart from this, ClickSites AI only costs you $49 one time or $179 one time, depending on which plan that you go. Then there is Wix ADI, which costs you $17 per month. So you can see all of these are monthly chargeable softwares, whereas ClickSites AI is a one-time chargeable software again. And if you want to look out for Hostinger AI as well, you can find the link below in the description. If you want to check that out, you can do that at your own time. So that being said, that brings me to an end of this ClickSites AI review, and I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, help me with a like and let me know in the comment section if you want to have any specific questions on ClickSites AI review. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off is Shine from NK Academy. Take care. Bye-bye.